Okay, good. All right. So this is, let me see what else. Creative deal structuring, private money lender, banks. Now, when I say creative deal structuring, I didn't put this down, but owner financing, right? Owner financing is like part of creative deal structuring. So for instance, like right now, we're about to get a facility under contract. Okay. And it's 217 units. And we're getting under contract for $1 million. It's not worth $1 million. It's probably worth like 600 grand. So we're paying like way more over than what we should. And I mean, right now, because it's not making the income, I mean, it's like, I think it's like 30 to 40% full, and the owner just ain't into it. He ain't into it. So but we were going to pay $1 million for it. But guess what? He's going to owner finance it to us. So his terms are $250,000 down, and he will owner finance it to us for 10 years at 5% interest, amortized over 20 years. Right? I mean, that's like, that's exact same loan that, like, you know, I would go to a bank and get. That's exactly the same loan, right? And that's what I told him, because he was like, he's like, would you be interested? And I didn't even bring it up because I was going to just put it into my fund. But he said, like, would you be interested in owner financing? And I said, well, yeah, but like, what are your terms going to be? Because I could just, you know, go to a bank and get a loan. And he said, it'll just be the exact same terms that like a bank would do. And I said, okay, well, then I'll just owner finance it through. And so that I have to come up with $250,000 down, right? So of course, I'm not going to pay that. You know, all I do is just go out and find somebody to bring $250,000 into the deal, and then we partner on the deal. So I'm literally like no money into the deal. That's creative deal structuring. And then we'll just do a split, probably a 60-40 split, where I get 60% and they get 40%, because I'm the one that brought the deal and I should be making more money, right? And so, and then on the back end, I mean, that facility should be worth at least $2 million, if not more. And so it'll take us a little while to get up to that point, but essentially, you know, in the next couple of years, we'll sell that and, you know, make $1 million and split it, right? That's a good deal. And I ain't putting no money into that deal. That is creative deal structuring. All right. That's creative deal structuring. And that is what you have to learn how to do in order to leverage. I mean, that's how we're on our 11th facility, and we're going to be buying, you know, 3 more in the next, you know, couple months. That's how I do it. Okay. So that is finance.